Here's a 2018 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book finds, in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.